analysis of mangosteen coconut intercropping in Davao Oriental. Introduction. Background. Mangosteen and coconut are valuable crops in Davao Oriental. Intercropping can maximize land use and potentially increase income. Next is the problem statement. Farmers often face challenges in maximizing profit from single crop system. Next is the objective to analyze the economic viability of integrating mangosteen trees within existing coconut plantation in Davao Oriental. Next is the hypothesis. Intercropping mangosteen with coconut will yield a higher net income per hectare compared to monoculture coconut farming. Next is the methodology. Research design comparative cost benefits analysis of two farming system, monoculture coconut and mangosteen coconut intercropping. Data collection. Data collected from a sample of farm practicing both systems including costs. Example of cost is the labor, inputs, and etc. And revenues example is the coconut and mangosteen yield and prices. So, data analysis. Data analysis, calculation of net present value and internal rate of return and payback period for each system to assess economic viability. Result and discussion. Key findings present NPV and IRR and payback period for both systems show that the intercropping system has a higher NPV and IRR and a shorter payback period. Interpretation. The result indicate that integrating mangosteen with coconut is economically more viable than monoculture coconut farming, offering increased profitability and faster return on investment. Limitation. The analysis is based on a specific set of prices and yields. Fluctuation in market price and could affect the result. Further research is needed to assess the long-term sustainability of the system. So, this is the references of this research.